promise to follow. Guys, I'll be in barcode later. So yeah, very short lang ang program natin for today. Let's start next week fresh. So, I've been really busy with business. Small business lang ha, baka sabihin nga na milyonarya tayo. I've been really busy with my small business. So yeah, ano lang, medyo ano lang tayo for today. Medyo nagmamadali, stress. If only I have superpowers like Naruto, I would be everywhere, anywhere at all. So yeah, everywhere, anywhere. I know there's a movie about it. Everywhere, all at once, something like that. It's a good movie. So yeah. I'll be back later, and then I'll just say goodbye because I have a show by Barcode, as I said. So, sa mga gustong mag-party later or chill lang, karaoke lang, like genuine fun lang, just go to Barcode later. I'll be there. Yeah, how Cardi B? Si Cardi B namin yung kotse, hindi naman marunong mag-drive. But Cardi B worked her ass off. So, I'm just saying, maybe the I don't know, mga nangyayari sa akin today, mga challenges na before I was earning a lot and right now I'm not. Maybe it's a challenge that God would want to test me and my capabilities, financial capabilities, if I would be able to resist temptations like my shopaholic attitude towards apps. So yeah, maybe lesson din to na I shouldn't jump onto investments that I know would like risks. But I'm still glad I took those risks though, because at least hindi ako nag I don't know, what you call that? Hindi ako ang tawag dyan, scatter. Hindi ako nagganon. I'm very thankful pa rin. Kasi I still invested and risked sa business. Sa business ako nag-risk. And that is a good job for me, Pat. On my, Kenny. So, yan. Oh, meron na agad. Okay. Hold on. Alright. And yes, we're back. Nakakaloka. Ayan. So, kailangan muna natin sanayin ulit ang ating self. Oh my God! Sanayin ang ating self. Maghahawak din naman dito kasi di na naman natin natutunan. Oh my gosh, I'm live on my Facebook. Again, my Facebook page. Don't forget also to like and follow Dream Radio. Facebook page ng Dream Radio. It's 104.7 Dream Radio. And also, huwag kayong makakalimot na mag-join sa ating group. Ayan, we have a group in Telegram. So, make sure you're part of it. Para naman, meron kayong masasakyan sa mga panahong kailangan nyo ng tulong. If you feel stranded, our links are available. We have Reddit and we have Telegram. You express yourself there. Alrighty? Okay, shout out nga pala dyan kay Krisha. Hi, Krisha. Now, this next song is also related to our GC. This is a song from Ben and Ben. Have fun, everyone. Time check, it's 8:27 p.m. Oh my God. Be! Kailangan na natin mag-practice. Lord, nalilito na ako kung ano yung mga dapat pindutin dito. Yan kasi long break, kakainis. Long absent. So this song Place Ride Home. Hi, Krisha. Shararawat. Ayan. So, may dali ako sariling helmet, be. Because I am a clean freak. Not clean freak. Actually, totally super clean freak. But I am kind of OCD. So, look at that. I have Dustin. Dustin right here. He's one of my favorite characters sa Stranger Things. I like Dustin because he's a very sweet son. Also, may dream radio sticker tayo. So, be, may sarili akong helmet, be. Bakit? Because of the couture bells and the dandruff bells and the, I don't know who wore that last. I'm not insulting anyone, but at least nakakasigurado tayo na tayo lang yung gumagamit ng helmet, diba? Also, ito pa. I have my own pads. Ayan, may pads tayo sa headset. Siyempre, it's pink. I know it's pink, but it looks like neon pink to me. And also, my own, tada! Tada! Yan. So, I would feel, parang, I would feel uniform. Uniform! Ano to, school? Okay, so, yeah. I will be in Barcode. Guys, punta kayong Barcode. Kasi, ayokong kumakanta lang ako ng todo-todo. Tapos, gusto ko ng maraming audience pag kumakanta ako ng todo-todo. I want bigay todong audience. Well, actually, sa totoo lang, bigay todo yung audience ng Barcode. Like, super, super, super energetic yung mga tao doon. I really love it. So, yeah. Barcode later. So, I'll probably have, I already have tulog yung stress sa skin, kaloka. Maybe I'll just re-download this video and then re-upload it later. Okay? Kasi mahirap na. Be, super stress mukha tayong stress dahil nga nagbahay-bahay tayo, be. Nagluto-luto, ayan. So, shout out nga pala sa Benalot, sa partner ko. Siya yung masipag magluto. Ayan. Sobrang masipag yung magluto. Foodaholic body, iba lang po yan sa Benalot. Yung binalot po yan ng ulam tsaka kanin. Yung Foodaholic body naman po is personal business page ng partner ko, which is si Romel. And then, of course, yung naman is yung Crispy Senpai is a chicken kenny. So, puro online lang tayo mga be, kasi wala tayong pang renta. Ang mahal ng mga renta dito sa Tacloban, I swear. Like, it's a lot. Like, grabe. Wala yung face ko. Kailangan na natin magpa-facelift. Charot. Kasi nagsasagi na yung face natin. Halata na tayong 30. Hindi. Cannot be. I don't like that. Ayan, so, I have prizes here para mamaya sa ating bingo Kemidu. So, hindi naman talaga siya like super bingo night. Inaano ko lang siya, hinahype ko lang siya na bingo Kemi para masaya, di ba? So, yeah. See you later sa Barcode, everyone. Lord, yung makeup ko talaga. Nakakaloka. So, I'll be back for another, round of Kimi. And then, we will biyahe na. Kung bubuk na tayo papuntang Maxim. Ay! Stress. So, nagsuklay sa akin yung partner ko. Dapat tinulungan yun ako. Kita yung panty ko. Charot. So, i-arrange ko pa yung natin sa yung mga iga-graphics sa Dream. Nakaka-lurky. So, Dream graphics. Refresh tayo next week. I swear, refresh tayo next week. So, yeah. Let's refresh next week. So, we are live pala. Every, we are on air until 9 p.m. sa Ormoc, 99.9. And then we are also live worldwide, Weebly, ayan. So, yun guys. Yun guys yung mga worldwide po yan. So, you can actually have your business promoted if you like. Ayan. So, make sure na makakaya nyo yung ragasan ng sales kasi once you have people inquiring, they will start inquiring kasi if you're always being heard sa radio, and also Dream Radio page is always gonna post, and also the other DJs and the DJs and everyone would share, and also word of mouth. Pag may ganon na mga pangyayari, you will have bookings, you will have also manifest then, and also work your manifestation. You didn't just work, or you didn't just manifest, you worked hard for it. So, sa mga gusto magpa-ads, ayan, so don't you hesitate. Yan, magpa-ads kayo sa Dream Radio. Well, there's package, 2 packages. So, first package is both radio and Facebook, and second package is both radio and Facebook but times 2 yung effort. So the graphics and everything, we help businesses grow. So yeah. Kailangan ko ma-arrange yung graphics ko, talaga nakakaloka. Ma-arrange yung graphics ng para pang-post ko sa Dream. God. So, next song natin is Alibi. Yeah. So. This week, wala muna tayong guest. I don't know. Hindi ko, di muna ako mag-guest this week kasi parang pa yung tao, naghahabol sila ngayon sa mga deadlines, naghahabol sa mga, I don't know, may mga parties pa nga yung iba, may mga lakad-lakad pa yung iba, so I think it's better to have the guesting started na lang next week. Kasi I chatted most of my friends, and they are really more available next week than this week, so yeah. Next week, forward. Ano yun? So, ang daldal ko, sorry naman, Tell All Tuesday kasi tayo, I will be in Barcode later, guys. Come. Basta tayo, babe. Gusto ko magpa-facelift. Bitch ko. Ang makeup natin, nagkakalat. Hi, Krisha. Happy New Year. Kailangan nating magpabata ulit, be. Kailangan nating humigop ng dugo ng isang ng isang berhen. So, berhen, kailangan i-alay. Charot! Hindi na pa ko virgin. Charot. Kimi. I-re-upload ko to. Di, nagkikita yung panty ko talaga. Kalma lang. Okay, so in a few minutes, I'll be back on board. Hindi pantay yung ating mga kakilayan. Nakakaloka talaga. Next time talaga, ayusin ko na yung schedule ko. Oh, God. Kasi nagluto-luto pa kami. What else? Nagsikas pa kami ng order. God. Nakakaano pala, no? Kailangan pala Kaya pala tatlo yung katawan ng isang tao, magpapalitan lang yung isa matutulog lang. Di ba? Magsasalita lang yung katawan din. Kasi nakaka-stress yung ganito. Di ba kung may mupa ko, gago? Kalat ang makeup ko, ganun talaga kapag nagmamadali. Tingnan mo yan. Mata pa ba yan? Kumusta tayo? Kumusta New Year nyo? Meron ba kayong sa New Year nyo? Naganda ba kayo? Kasi kami, naganda ba kami? May pagkain, pero di sa sinasabing naganda, wala nga kaming picture-picture. Diba? Mahirap na ngayon ang buhay. Maganda-handa pa tayo. Kung kaya mo, push. Pero kung hindi mo kaya, huwag mong pilitin. Kasi, ikaw lang may stress, Ito, matanda na talaga tayo, no? Malabas na yung mga wrinkles natin. Before, I didn't have these. I had thick face. Makapal yung mukha ko dati. Ngayon hindi na. Charot! Ayusin natin tong live later. Kasi sobrang sobrang dry ng live. I will re-upload. I will download this live and re-upload it later na lang for para maganda. Sobrang bare face. Bare face na naka-makeup. Ano yun? Parang tanga lang. Sobrang bare face ko ngayon. Bare face? Anong mukhang oso? Okay, so we only have like 15 seconds, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18 seconds, and 18 seconds, 3, basta 4 minutes, ganon. We only have 4 minutes left. So, yeah. Meron, alam mo may brush na ginaganon. I'll try that. Try natin kaya yan. Parang pang ganun siya. Pangpainat ang mukha. Parang hindi naman tayo masyadong mukhang 30s. Nakaingit yung mukha ni Kuya Elmer kasi baby face si Kuya Elmer. Shout out kay Kuya Elmer. Yan, baby face talaga siya. Okay, barcode later ha, guys. Barcode tayo later. So, let's have fun. I have prizes with me. Oo na. So, after this song, we'll be back on air. Kulang ako sa tulog, Grabe na kulang sa tulog, Grabe na to. Kulang sa tulog. So nice. Mag-gym ba tayo? Gym na tayo, no? Kawawa naman yung self natin pag di tayo magkaroon ng improvement. Dapat improvement tayo sa 2027. Sa new year ng 2027, we should look, ganun. Sarap. Ay, sayang graphics. Bili talaga ako ng brush dito. Na ganun. Alam niyo yung mga tinatahi dito, no? Nandang ako to, grabe, parang, oh, grabe naman yung ginagawa sa mukha nila, patatahi talaga. Ano yan sila? Ganun. Iinap talaga. Iba na yung facial features mo yan kasi. See you later sa barcode. So, after this song, I'll have my last time check. And then, babawi tayo tomorrow. And then, Thursday is my last. And then, next week, let's start fresh. Please, please, let's start fresh. Kasi I'm very disappointed in myself right now na hindi ko na kaya yung mini business namin. Tapos, meron show pa ako mamaya. Tapos, parang nakaka-disappoint kanina. Parang minsan na-disappoint ako sa self ko na, ano yan, ba't di mo kinaya ganun? Pero at least I'm still here. I showed up because showing up matters, girl. Bahala na lang late. At least you showed up. You showed up. That's what matters. Bahalang malate din ako mamaya doon. Importante, I arrived. Ang arrival, mga reyna, andun sa hulihan, be. Stop! Reyna kapag reyna ng late, walang pagbabago. Well, I hope you guys understand why I'm always late because hindi naman sa na i-justify ko yung ADHD ko, pero that's the part of it. I'm gonna go live. Stay there. Kamahulog. Hi guys, I'm here and back at the DJ Senpai on Mute on Dream 104.7 Sikat. Ayan, hindi natin kasama si Kengkoy ngayon kasi hindi ko alam buksan ang computer. So tayo na lang ang tatawa, be. Ayun, magmamaalo muna ako ng maaga, hindi forever, but I'll be back tomorrow, same time. Also, I'll make sure that I'll be early kahit na may mga orders tayo, be. Kahit na meron tayong mga inaasikaso in our personal lives. We need to show up. So, I talked about it already here on my live. I have a personal live here on my page. And so, I already spoke about it. Na, it doesn't matter if, actually it matters if you're late. Actually, yeah. Kasi time is gold. But, what matters most is you showed up. You show up. Kahit na antok ako, kahit na alam mo yon, kahit na gutom ka, kahit na ang dami mo pang inaasikaso, kahit may show pa mamaya, kahit may work ka pa by 3 a.m. Be, ang importante is you show up. Always show up. Always do it. Always do it. Do it. Do it. Sabi pa ni Shia LaBeouf. Ayan, always do it. Do it. Do it. Kasi we only have this life once. What matters most is yung hindi ka nagtaasan ng tao. Okay? Ayoko talaga ng mga paasa. Sino ayaw ding mga paasa? Me. Okay, so number 1, ayoko sa mga paasa. Ayoko sa mga walang isang salita. Okay? So, if you are like that, we are friends already. Tropa na tayo. So, sa mga gustong mag-express ng sarili nila, if wala ang Rage Room Unmute, go ahead and join our Telegram. We have groups kung saan pwede nyo tingnan, kung saan nyo gusto mag-express. There are different types of topics. Also, meron din tayo sa WhatsApp. You can call me or write, express yourself to me. If gusto mo naman ng private lang, we have read it. So, don't forget that you are not alone in this. Okay, you are not alone. Okay, so I'll be back. Fresh start tayo. next week. Okay, we will have a guest next week, and I will make sure that this guest will give us insights on everything that we need to know. Okay. Also, this week is scramble week. Scramble week kasi nag-scramble tayo, be. Like, munti ko na makalimutan kung paano gamitin yung microphone. Nakakaloka. Anyway, guys, I will be back tomorrow, same time. Also, until Thursday po tayo. Okay? So, see you once again, and I will leave you with a song from Miley Cyrus. Kasi, this song kasi makes me think of everything na pinagdaanan natin, but we still have something or someone or a memory that when we look at this memory, we look at this person, we look at this thing or whatever, or a pet or whatever, we look at yourself na lang in the mirror or what, is we remember that everything happens for a reason and everything is going to be a-okay. Okay? So make sure lang na we have something to move forward to. Because this year, 2026, is a year of making bawi. So you need to bawi, make bawi tayo all the time. Make bawi tayo every movement we make bawi, okay? It is for ourselves, it is for something bigger, something for us, okay? Something for your family, something, anything at all. So, I hope you guys enjoy the night and take care all the time, lalo na sa may mga nagmumotor dyan, sa mga biyahe-biyahe nyo, sa mga nagtitindahan dyan, make sure na nakasara ang bentana, baka kayo madukot, ha? Time check is already 8:50 p.m. I will be leaving you with more songs to listen to. Thank you so much for joining me for a short span of time. And once again, this is your Ate DJ Senpai for Unmute on Dream Radio. You're listening to 104.7 Dream Radio. Sikan. Keep tuning in. And stay safe as always. Okay. Bye. Oh, nga pala. Here's the song pala. From Miley Cyrus. So, yeah.
Nice.
Tayo na lang ng konti, be. Tapos punta na tayong barcode.
Tanda ako na, baby. Kikita yung baboy mo.
Ito pa bata.
Benjamin ba?
Pakabus ng bago sa ngipin.
May dinner na.
Okay, so magbubuk na tayo ng Maxim. Kasi we will go na... panty! Bastos! Charot. Punta tayong Maxim na. Maxim na. Punta na tayong barcode. So I'm gonna remove my stuff na. Link on the bio. Charot! Nagbenta. Okay, so I'm gonna remove these na. This is my outfit for today. Ayan.
Wala.
Excuse me. So, I'm gonna remove these na. Link on the bio again. Charot!
Bariya pa rin sa loob ng bar.
Girl, lahat ng gamit mo binibenta mo.
Dami yun.
Why not? Some of my things I haven't used yet, so
Tapos po.
why not? Also, my stuff that I sell might become very more useful sa iba lang. Ano sa tayo, be? Mag-book lang tayo ng Maxim and then I will go na sa barcode. So, I need to turn this off. Huwag yan. Tanga. Biglang nawala ng isang second. Alright, so thank you so much sa mga nag-join. Sa mga nakinig, ayan. See you sa Barcode. I'll be there tonight. So, may sarili tayong helmet, be. Why? Sinabi ko na kanina. Kasi, duh. Helmet, ano lang tayong sarili helmet, kaya wala tayong motor, be. Kasi, I don't know. Basic ano lang. Siguro, I don't want anything, maano kasi makati sa ulo, be. Pilitin pa mag-English, pinyet. Saan ba yung, patayin ko na to, nga. Ay, buang binuksan. Patay. So, the whole time pala, nakala ko nabuksan ko siya, napatay ko pala siya. Hey! Uy! Kailangan palang senyasan ng... Okay, so... book na tayo. Tingnan mo yung dala ko, babe. Mga premyo yan. Mga premyo natin yan mamaya sa Barcode. So, pumunta kayong Barcode. Ayoko mag-isa sa pagkabaliw. So, kung may kasama ko doon. So, sa makakanta tayo, we will sing along. Yan. We will, what will we do? Gano'n pa tayo. Dami natin gagawin doon. Bingo. Lutang. At least, naka-arrange yung mga gamit ko. Ginawang pang flex. Kahit lutang tayo, ang importante, hindi ako nagpapabaya sa mga tao. Yan lang yung may flex ko. Medyo lutang lang ako, pero I can still manage. And my pagkalutang is because I am diagnosed with ADHD and BPD comorbid. So, yeah. Bye. Let's go book. Booking. Let's book tayo. Book tayo, book. Ari. Sarap. Yan. Babalik ko na siya sa position niya.
Broadcasting live from Tacloban City to the coolest people of Eastern Visayas and the World Wide Web. This is 104.7.
Book na tayo, be! Oh.
Music, great DJs, plus news and information, and your all-time favorite hits.
Drink.
104.7 Dream Radio.
Gutom na ako.
Dream sounds better with
Dream Radio. Sabi nila, bakit daw yung isip ko parang kalat-kalat? Marami akong iniisip. Pero, I say it. I say what I say. Yun lang yun. Siguro, a lot of people who know me personally, very, 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 very close to me, loves me, and I love them too, are very, I know me na, and I appreciate them, kasi they really see through me, na I am not actually a bad person. For me, I'm a bad person kasi I am very vocal. I am very, if I don't like you, I don't like you. If there's something wrong, I will say it to your face. But, minsan, I stay quiet sometimes. But, most of the time, pag nasosobrahan na ako, since I'm a Taurus, I really speak my mind. So, yeah. Minsan napapaaway tayo dahil, bakit ilok ka? Minsan napapaaway tayo sa sobra nating, prangka. I'm not prangka in a bad way. I'm prangka na I know that there's growth, na magkakaroon ng growth sa'yo. So, it's called tough love. Yeah. Barcode. Barcode Tacloban. May Barcelona, Spain na barcode. Okay. Booked! Ano? May rider na tayo. Brian Asanar. Okay. Yeah, so, ayusin ko lang helmet ko. Wait lang. Sabi ni yung best friend ko, si Joyce, mag-vlog ako. Try ko. Si Krisha pala yung sabi sa akin, Ma'am, mag-vlog na ba tayo? Charot. Lalabas na po. Prepare ko na muna yung mga gamit ko. Okay, so, alis na tayo, be. Malapit na yung si Ryder, si Kuya Ryder. Maraming salamat sa pagkikinig. Next week, I'll be back, but I'll be back better. Better with everything that I have, because I am handling multiple, very multiple different types of stuff that are not correlated to each other. So, it's very handful. And I'm thankful for it. Kasi I can still handle it with my superpowers, which is called ADHD. Samyang. Ako, siyempre, essay lang. Ako, yan. So, I am holding heels, I am holding my laptop or tablet, and I'm holding my phone, and I'm holding a big bag. A big heavy bag. We can do this, bitch. Bye! Bye-bye! Mau! Ay, gada ka ngayon.